Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Pixellab and creating a new project so you can work cleanly. Choose a 1920x 1080 canvas for widescreen output. Next, import your photo from gallery or clipboard. Lock the aspect ratio to keep proportions correct. Once done, enable grid and snap to position elements precisely. Set the grid to 16 or 32px for consistent spacing. These steps get you into editing immediately because a stable canvas and locked proportions prevent accidental stretching or cropping later. You now perform the core edits that transform the photo. Start with adjust to fix exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Aim for subtle changes, around plus or minus 10-25% to keep a natural appearance. Then crop, rotate, and use perspective to tighten composition and align horizons. Make sure to check rule of thirds as you reposition. Once composition is set, add layers, text, shapes, stickers, reorder them, and tweak opacity, so your message reads clearly without overpowering the image. You wrap up by refining details and exporting for the target use. Choose PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files, and set quality between 80 and 100% depending on distribution. Save a project copy before you flatten layers. That reduces file size but keeps an editable backup. If colors look off after export, check white balance and toggle before slash after in full screen to spot shifts. If issues persist, revert to your saved copy and reapply global color adjustments more gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.